With the chained dropdown field, you can convert any CSV file, like an Excel sheet, into a set of dropdowns that will change depending on the selected options. For example, here I have a basic Excel file that has a list of cars separated by brand, model, and year. Each brand has a different list of models, and each model has a different list of years. Now, if I want my users to select a car from this kind of list, I would need to create 3 dropdowns, and then I would need to create conditions that change the available items depending on the options selected. This could easily take me hours to do, and would be difficult for me to update the list every time there is a change. But with chained dropdowns, all I need to do is upload my Excel, and that's it. The field will read my Excel and create the dropdowns for me. I can also define a price for each option. All I need to do is add an additional column at the end and tell the plugin that I want to use that column for the price of each item. And that's it. Now my form will have my dropdowns, which will automatically change depending on the options selected. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section.